This is how to make a super easy one-pan baked chicken and rice to give you some of the fluffiest rice and the juiciest chicken. We're going to start by slicing some chicken thighs into relatively big pieces and adding plenty of minced garlic and full garlic cloves. Then add plenty of lemon zest and lemon juice and your seasonings such as salt, pepper, cinnamon, ground cumin, sweet and smoky paprika and a little bit of allspice. And dollop in some plain yogurt and melted ghee or butter. I threw in some extra seasonings, check the description for full quantities. Give this all a really good mix and leave to marinate, preferably overnight. Then we want to lay out our beautiful marinated chicken into our casserole dish and add sliced tomatoes and plenty of olives. All a good mix, and then you want to bake your chicken for 20 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Once your chicken baked, you can prepare your saffron rice, so I'm just soaking my rice, and then we're going to bloom our saffron. Grind your saffron a little, and this just helps to bring out the flavour and the colour of your saffron, and add a little bit of boiling water to your saffron. When your chicken has par baked, layer with your soaked rice and just enough boiling water to cover. Add most of your saffron water, leaving just a little behind, and I like to dig some little holes into my rice, which just helps it steam, and then bake for 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. When your rice is cooked and fluffy, add the rest of your saffron water, cover and leave it to steam for another 10 minutes. And I like to just fluff the top layer and allow that to steam a little more so it's just as soft as the rest of my rice, and then you can start to dish out your beautiful fluffy rice and juicy chicken. I like to serve mine with some lightly toasted sliced almonds, a pinch of parsley or coriander and a nice sprinkle of sumac, with a beautiful yogurt salad on the side. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and thank you for watching.